So this right here could be our first real look at the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. And based on the latest leaks and rumors, Samsung might be playing it safe on the outside, but seriously powerful on the inside. Let's talk about the leaked specs, the design language, and how much this phone is expected to cost. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to get the latest tech updates. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Starting with the design, Samsung appears to be sticking with its clean, minimal aesthetic. From the leaked image, flat front and back glass, armor aluminum 2 frame, matte glass finish on the rear, vertically stacked triple camera layout with no massive camera island. It looks refined, premium, and very Samsung, not flashy but classy. The phone is also rumored to be IP68 water and dust resistant, making it durable enough for everyday use. Thickness is just 7.3 mm, and at 190 grams, it should feel slim and well balanced in the hand. The Galaxy S26 Plus is expected to ship with Android 16 out of the box, paired with One UI 8.5, and Samsung is reportedly sticking to its industry-leading promise of up to 7 major Android upgrades. That alone makes this phone a long-term beast. Under the hood, we're looking at 2 chip variants: Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 3nm for most regions and Exynos 2600 for Europe. On the memory side, leaks suggest 12GB RAM standard, 256GB or 512GB storage, UFS 4.x speeds, meaning ultra-fast app launches and file transfers. The S26 Plus is expected to rock a 6.7-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, 1440 by 3120 resolution, peak brightness up to 2600 nits, HDR10 Plus support. That's flagship level clarity, brightness, and smoothness, perfect for media consumption and outdoor use. Bezels look extremely slim, pushing the screen-to-body ratio close to 92%, which gives it that premium edge-to-edge feel. In terms of camera, according to leaks, Samsung isn't reinventing the wheel here, but refining what already works. The triple camera setup includes 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS and dual-pixel autofocus, 10-megapixel telephone with 3x optical zoom and OIS, 12-megapixel ultra-wide with a 120-degree field of view. Video capabilities are still top-tier: 8K recording up to 30 FPS, 4K up to 60 FPS, 10-bit HDR and HDR10+, super steady gyro EIS. On the front, a 12-megapixel selfie camera with dual-pixel autofocus supports 4K video, which is great news for vloggers and video calls. The S26 Plus is rumored to pack a 4900 mAh battery, which should comfortably last a full day thanks to the 3nm chipset. Charging speeds include 45-watt wired charging, 25-watt wireless charging (QI 2.2), and reverse wireless charging. Not the fastest on the market, but still solid and reliable. Leaks also point to Wi-Fi 7 support, Bluetooth 5.4, ultra-wideband, ultrasonic under-display fingerprint scanner, Samsung DeX and wireless DeX, no headphone jack, no micro SD, classic Samsung flagship behavior. There are speculations about pricing too. Based on Samsung's recent pricing strategy, the Galaxy S26 Plus is expected to launch around $999 to $1,099 for the base 256GB model. Higher storage variants could push closer to $1,199. This would place it squarely between the standard S26 and the Ultra, just like previous Plus models. So, these are the leaked details of the Galaxy S26 Plus. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the S26 Plus looks like a polished, powerful flagship focused on long-term software support, elite performance, and a premium display, even if the design remains conservative. Not revolutionary, but very Samsung. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.